Morning, I'm getting such a late start. I was up all night having terrible nightmares. Will has also started snoring again. He always snores this time of year. I think it's because allergies, the weather, because I get really stuffy too this time of year and I get a lot of migraines and like pressure in my nose and around my eyes. But I'm about to make some coffee, wake up, and go upstairs to finish editing the previous 2 days so I can get those up on my channel. Breakfast today is super simple. It's coffee with oat milk creamer, which I highly recommend because it's dairy free. Then I toasted some light bread and spread some avocado, diced tomatoes, onion, and then I topped it off with everything seasoning, which I also love. I'm currently working on some gift guides for you guys, or some more, because I've already started posting them. So if there's anyone specifically you feel like you're having trouble with figuring out what to get them, let me know. Also, super exciting news, I finally finished taking my Accutane. You probably already know that I've been on Accutane for the last 11 months. It was a journey. I put my whole experience on my blog, so if you want to check it out or just learn more. It's an absolute disaster in here. I need to clean this today. We're in the middle of putting together our pantry, and we're still doing my office. Just so much to do all the time in a new house. It's not even really new anymore. I guess it's been how many years? 2 years? Goes by so fast, but yeah. I have all this stuff out while I'm waiting for my other furniture unit to get in so I can put all the drawers back, and also I was filming a fashion try-on haul, so I'm excited to post that for you guys. I've also been doing like little mini like TikToks and Reels, so let me know if you guys like that, or if there's anything specific you want to see me do. I'm legit over here on a Saturday night color coding and organizing my gift wrapping, and it's extremely satisfying to me. So here are my holiday bows and ribbons, or most of them I should say. I probably still have more downstairs, but I started color coding them, and I had actually started posting this on my Instagram, but thought you guys might want to see it too in case you don't follow me on there. So I'm just gonna start organizing this by color. So I grabbed a bunch of empty containers that I already had, which I typically actually use those for food. And then I had a couple of these empty containers or drawers that I wasn't using that I originally had in my filming room or beauty room. So I'm going to use those too. Tonight for dinner, Will and I are making some steaks, and I'm baking some garlic parmesan cauliflower. It's really good. This is actually found in the frozen section, but you could certainly make it yourself at home. So I'll post more about that down below as well. And then the beverage I'm enjoying, I posted all about on my blog. It's been a go-to for me the fall and winter months. Oh, also, the salad is just lettuce, ginger dressing, sunflower seeds, edamame, and pepper. So we're just gonna finish up dinner and finish watching a couple episodes of Dexter. We recently started this. I know we're really late jumping on the bandwagon with this one, but we're really into it. Have you guys seen this before? Did you like it? Good morning. It's such a beautiful day today. I'm about to make some coffee with my favorite creamer, and Will's making us some breakfast. He's making some scrambled eggs, sausage, and bacon. I honestly don't have very much to show you guys today because today and yesterday have been like total cleaning days for me. So I completely ripped apart our bathroom, which still needs a lot of work. Like, a lot of it's still builder grade, which we are in the process of replacing. You guys probably know that if you've been following me for a while. There's just like unfinished projects everywhere. Like, I still have tape under here from when we made these shelves. But I just needed to do like a deep clean. So, you know, like the whole like take everything down, make it naked, completely scrub, clean, dust, vacuum, mop, the whole 9 yards. Don't look in there because I haven't gone that far yet. But until we replace this unit, it's kind of like awkward setup. Like, this is not obviously going to be there. There's a mirror behind a mirror. It's just all a work in progress. I just cleaned everything as best as I could and somewhat reorganized and did a little bit of a purge, things that I haven't used or won't use, and then overstock stuff I put in here. I love these drawers. I'll link them down below because I use them all over the house for numerous different reasons. Yeah, nothing super exciting today, to be honest, but productive. Completely cleaned out and scrubbed. Guest bathroom. Same thing, like, took everything down, cleaned it. Friggin' love this. Another mirror behind a mirror because it will be replaced eventually. Same with this unit. We still need to replace the baseboards. Like these were the builder grade, but we put our own flooring in, and these I want to bump out. We've only done one section in the entire house so far, replacing those, but oh, I just continuously find trash. Also, I don't know how a house gets so dusty. I don't understand. What is that? I just mopped and vacuumed in here. Well, it probably came from my socks. Yep, definitely came from my socks. Gross. This is like one of my favorite things. If I could be Oprah right now and give y'all one, I would give y'all one because it's amazing. I love it. I'm still working on the guest room. I showed it to you guys yesterday how it was looking, which was way crazier than it looks now. That's my face. So these drawers, I still need to go through and finish organizing and like purge them, like things I haven't used or whatever. The like actual unit that all these go in has been sold out forever, and I think it's finally back in stock, so we're probably gonna get a new one next week, which goes in here where I do all my filming. All those also, and the unit goes on this wall. So it's coming along slowly but surely. Also started a pile or basket of things I'm going to donate. So yeah, I'm trying to be super productive. Oh, I also did this. This is like our little linen closet slash cleaning closet, which still needs to be like finished, but I did put it together and somewhat organized it. So like all the overstock cleaning supplies, all like, you know, like medicines and stuff. So with most places or a lot of places back on lockdown or quarantine, etc., I know the plans have really changed this year, and I want to know what you guys have planned. Are you guys staying home? Are you still going to visit some family? What are you doing this year to help celebrate the holidays? Every year I have a favorite ornament, and this year, this is my favorite. Look at him, he's so cute. If you are also a sloth lover, I post the link to shop this guy down below. Night's dinner was super easy and last minute. It was a rotisserie chicken, Hawaiian rolls, and sweet potatoes with some chicken gravy. It was like such a good comfort food. It was so good. So that was all for day 5 and 6. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you tomorrow.